don't care how this video is going to destroy my life and people are going to say whatever they want to say. But how can I, Shanda, I work 24/7, 7 days a week. I do not steal. I do not what? I'm the most hardworking woman I know. For a man to start cheating on me, taking giving it to my 18, 19-year-olds, how does that shit work? How does that shit work? Right now, I am fuming. I am angry. I am disappointed in this man. The whole world told me, the whole world came to me and said, Kuti, he's an ass. But I stood by him. I stood by him. I believed in him and I gave him everything. Every single thing from beginning to end. And the shit I get in return is anotora zvinhu zvangu, my money, my things. That I'm doing this for my husband. And he goes and he gives this to other people. Who does that? Everybody knows how scrapped out his life had become, how his life had gone downhill. And I lifted that man up. I lifted him up with my hard and work and sweat. And get what in return? And get what in return? And get what in return? This is my house. This is my house for Zimbabwe. Yeah, this is what I paid for. I paid for all of this. He brings his little girlfriends into Badara Inini. He brings little whatever, only for me to find out. Gore. Oh yeah, people told me. From day one, did you want to go on to Desmond? Did you miss Stala Sienna? And I never listened. I never listened to anybody. I stood by that man. I stood by that man from beginning to end. I did everything for him. Every single thing for that man I did from my own hard work. Kushanda kwangu, people that know me. And I get this in return. I get this nonsense. This nonsense. This man never had a headboard. This is me buying a $3,000 suite. Kutitirare on a comfortable place. My girlfriend, I can't see my stupid phone covers. My 19-year-olds, my whatnot. What is this? What is this? Well, today is the day I am going to let all my dirty laundry hang. How this man has treated me bad. Within a month, anga dumirisa a $40,000 car and akatenga inini for his birthday. I could not even come out and say because the day that I had got that car for him is the day my mother died. And I could not even say that I paid for that car. I paid for the Audi he was driving. I paid for the Lexus, and that was a limited edition ISF. I paid for the Mercedes that he's driving right now. Dini, from everything, every single thing. It is me. It is my doing. It is me. Thinking I was building up my husband. These girls, they see all this.